Design team. My name is Becky Persichetti, and today I will be presenting the Zigler basement remodel. Let's just take a step back and remember what the space looks like from the beginning. This is the client's basement. It's very open and it is all unfinished. Let's go over the client's needs. Clients want their basement to be fully furnished, and they'd like to use it as extra hosting space or as a rental. The space needs to have one bedroom, one bathroom, a washer and dryer, a living space, a pool table area, and a kitchen with seating to eat. The client wants to use their current pool table and sofas. The client wants the space to stay rather neutral, but also nice for hosting. They like blues, greens, and browns. And the client is not ready to complete the bathroom or kitchen at this time, so we're just going to kind of space out those spots and leave them open for the future. Here is our remodel plan. So you can see that we have added a bedroom off to the left, kind of keeping it a bit more private from the rest of the space. There's a walk-in closet, and there's also access to the bathroom, which is where we will have the washer and dryer housed. There's also a second door that goes out to the entertaining space so that this bathroom can act as one for the guests as like their private bathroom, but also for their guests. And we have our little like entry area, living room, kitchen, pool table. And moving on. I think pretty open concept, just so it feels like one big space. So here is the mood board for the bedroom. It's light, bright, cozy, but still kind of neutral. The client really likes blues and creams, so I wanted to incorporate this rug. We thought that that would be a nice little touch. It's got the creams and blues and some browns. And then we've selected furniture that's got sort of a warm wood tone. And then we're accenting the space with these nice blue colors, but nothing too crazy, just so it can stay kind of easy whether their renters are male or female or a couple. It kind of just works all around. This lampshade, this particular light, will be used in each of the spaces, the bedroom, the living area, and the game area. This flooring will be used throughout the entire basement, and this off-white paint color will be used throughout the entire basement with some accent colors here and there. The client does not like gray or flat white, but we still wanted to keep the color pretty light and bright because it is a basement space, so we didn't want it to be like a dungeon. That being said, this is kind of the man cave area. This is for the game area. This is the mood board. So the client already has a pool table, and then we found this really cool kind of dart board, and then like storage for the cue sticks and the pool balls, so they can kind of have all of that accessible. And then we wanted to add a fun bar area, just something simple along the wall, with some bar stools so that guests can kind of sit as they're waiting their turn and just have a drink or something. Again, a nice big area rug to kind of designate the space, and it has these nice tones in it that complement the flooring, but also the dark browns from the pool table and the green felt from the top. And this is the living area mood board. Again, we have that really nice light tone flooring, desk for our client's desk area that they requested, a couple fun different tables. I really like how the lines sort of complement the lines in the entertainment center, but then we have the nice rounded shape at the top that also complements some of the rounder elements in this space. And this nice green is pretty dark, but we wanted something to kind of tie in their existing green sofas. That's about the color of the sofas. Oh, also this coffee table here is pretty lightweight, and they wanted to be able to move it out of the way for their son to use his VR, which is a virtual reality game. Pretty cool. So we wanted that to be pretty light so they can just scooch it out of the way whenever he wants to play. All right, here is the full basement. So we have the bedroom on this side with the walk-in closet, which leads to the dual access bathroom. We have the washer and dryer in the bathroom. Over here we have a desk in the living room space. This is the living room with their entertainment center, the coffee table and sofas. This is the designated kitchen area, which is the spot where we're not covering in this project, but at least they know that that space is open, and that's the general layout that they would have. And then this is the floating bar counter over here, and their cue ball storage here with the pool table. So here is the bedroom. It's got this nice blue accent wall. There's a window behind these curtains. It's kind of an odd spot, and so the client was sort of worried about that, but if we cover it with these panels, it sort of acts as like a backlighting and makes for a cool feature. And they still have this window here to offer some natural lighting. And this door here goes to the walk-in closet. Game area, have fun, right? Got the pool table, they've got their dartboard, and I just think it'd be so much fun just sitting and having a drink or shooting darts, playing pool. And this hallway here leads to the bathroom. And this is the family room. So they've got their desk area over here, entertainment center. These are their current sofas. And then this is that coffee table that's easy to move out of the way. And they could even move this chair back as well and just have this whole area for the VR system. It's still pretty neutral. We've got that nice wainscoting in the dark green to tie in with the sofas, but all in all still a neutral space and pretty. So it'd be nice to entertain and host in, but it'd also be easy to rent out. Here we go. All right, so just kind of an overview. The design concept for the Zigler family is to provide space neutral enough to satisfy potential renters while maintaining the client's aesthetic so they can enjoy the space when it's unoccupied. The clients need a space for their pool table as well as optimal space for the use of their VR gaming system. Full kitchen with dining space, bedroom, and bathroom are also required. The client wants the space to feel open and updated with the use of their current dark green sofas. And as you could see in our design, we have accomplished all of these wishes by incorporating warm woodsy tones in greens, browns, blues, and whites, and we'll incorporate their current furnishings. And we're going to add egress windows to bring in more light and improve the safety of the space, being a basement. The floor plan will be open concept and some ornate detailing, and we'll add some ornate detailing to comply with the client's aesthetic seen in the rest of the home. In the rest of the home, they had some really pretty furnishings. So in the end, the space will be multifunctional, bright, and ready to host and entertain or serve as a top-notch rental. Overall, I think the clients will be very pleased with their design. Thanks.